Taking a look at the election, and investors, you may be wondering where to put your money depending on the outcome of the election and how much will you pay in taxes. President Trump plans to cut the taxes of the wealthy and corporate America by lowering that capital gains tax rate down to 15%. Former Vice President Biden plans to raise taxes on people making $400,000 or more. People who are in the top 1% category could see their capital gains taxes jump from 26.8% to 39.6%. Let's bring in John Bever now, the president of Phase 3 Advisory Services. And John, how do you prepare for Election Day, and what do you tell your clients?
The question I'm always getting is, how do we invest for this election? Which way do we go? And people want to know, based on which candidate wins, which way is the market going to go? And the reality is no one really knows. We've done a lot of research on this. We've looked at other people's research, and we've seen the market perform well in both kinds of administrations. We've seen the market perform poorly in both kinds of administrations. So eventually it will resolve itself out, whichever way it goes. And the market seems to be more tied to the economic seasons, which is really a debt cycle, the growth and destruction of debt, than it is related to the initial instance of the election itself.
What can you tell us about investing if Biden wins?
So if Biden wins, certainly infrastructure will be helpful. We want to be careful, though, of anything that would be affected by large tax increases. One of the things that's unknown is what's going to happen with the real estate sector. So at this point in time, I would concentrate primarily on industrials, possibly consumer stocks. And then lastly, we have an opportunity in financials if we're going to see an increase in interest rates.
What about a Trump reelection?
So with Trump, we also are looking to industrials. So the major theme that we have is industrials. The healthcare system is really going to depend on the makeup of Congress. So there may be an opportunity to continue to invest in healthcare stocks. And there's always an opportunity in biomedical.
Well, thanks, John, for helping us out today.
My pleasure.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.